Hello everyone, I'm Sense, and today I'm going to share a very useful trick with you. Actually, this trick has been around for a long time, almost 10 years now, but I'm only just sharing it today. I didn't just learn about it now, I've known about it for a decade, but I only recently posted it on YouTube because this process is so simple. If you're not used to it, you'll forget it. So, I'm posting it on YouTube for everyone to refer to. It's like how I always forget when I reinstall Windows. Just watch and see. Okay, here it is. Delete unnecessary files and junk files. For example, these files. For example, delete these files. These files are part of the Creo workflow. If you don't delete them, they'll become very heavy, and you'll have to manually delete them, which is very tiring and not very efficient. I don't know where it is to delete it. Do you understand? I don't know where it is to delete it. Okay, so now, first, delete the .cs file, then delete the .cs file and all the other files. Secondly, you need to delete the files that are supposed to be overlapping or redundant. For example, the template with 2 hands. I tested 2 templates and they were very overlapping, making the workflow heavy. Besides generating extra files like .tx, .lon, and .cn, there are also these redundant files. It's similar to my experience when I save files to a server like Spotlight or AutoCAD. When you save files, it only keeps one file. But with Creo, the more you overlap, the heavier it gets. If you need to make it heavier, it includes old and new files, and it's saved here. To get straight to the point, I'll give an example. For instance, the file here is 25.2b. Now, if I delete some of them, it will reduce the load significantly. You do the following: go to File, then go to Options, then Config, then Robin, and then Robin. After that, load the file, this tab, right? Scroll down and find the name, Open. Type Open here into the word Open here. See? It will find it faster. This is Open Start, right? Left click or select it to change the name and move it over. Okay, after moving it over, it will be here, right? It will be here. Do you want to do it here? Click Remove and right click here. If you don't want to go over there, then buy it now. Where do you want to put it? You want to put it in this tab model. For example, I want to put the body heart. I select the body heart and click on the red color. At the same time, I have a nickname. I will add it. Drag the mushroom up. You can also drag it up. See? It will be here. I'm buying something. See? It will be here. Or you don't want to do that anymore. You can push it over here, then go to this quick tab. You can put it wherever you want. But usually, I put the quick tab, this cupboard, which means the so-called quick application menu. Okay, it will be here to keep things tidy. It's better not to have it here, otherwise it'll be messy. For example, if you have a wide screen like this, it's okay to keep the menu according to your device. Many of you use laptops with 15.5-inch screens. If you put it here, it will retrieve your menu. Okay, now, there's a way. I won't select the battery anymore. I'll select the kitchen cabinet. Then I'll put the clip here. See? It's out here. After you're done, you export the computer. Okay, it will save. You do it once, and next time it will save. It's here, see? Then you have one more step. You have to get the file. For example, this power file, I open it. This file is what I prepared a long time ago. It will delete all the files with .edo, etc. from the garbage dumps. In short, it won't take up your computer or your time to retrieve them. So, I've already prepared this. Now I just need to copy it. Now I'll copy it and create this Creo 7 file. Oh no, go here, okay. I'll open it after I copy it. Remember, copy the file I've already prepared. I've already set it up. You copy this, right? Then go to your desktop, go to this credit file, right? Right-click on it, the match, filter file, okay. Then it will be in here. Bury this file, this original file. If you want to keep your Facebook, right-click on it, and set it as the original so that if there are any problems later. If you don't like it, you can keep it, you can go back. Do you understand? Now, compress that file, okay. Then, what did you copy earlier? Now right-click here, it will replace it. Replace it, okay. After that, check it. For example, in my file, the item is 25.m, so it should be 25.3, right? Or is it okay to do it for the mother? At the same time, I opened it and I saw it. I saw it has 2, 2, and 2, and it's doing it. It's a dozen, okay? Now I'm going to make it disappear. Before you make it disappear, you have to call it a selection, okay? If you want to do that, you have to use this selection. Here I've already selected it, so I can't select it again. For example, you select this, press OK, the .pk file, right? At the same time, you enter this name. Now, when you play the game, it will remember and delete it for you. Press enter and a bunch of names will appear. Now check this, 25 guys. You guys are 25.3, right? Delete all the files here, 15, 20. I just reinstalled Windows and my screen is broken. Don't worry, it's very easy to forget things after a long time. That's why now I just post on YouTube using a lot of software, not just one.